Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. I'm Chef Manzoor Hassan Balghari from Gilgit, Baltistan. So you're watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen. In today Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make some homemade desserts, which I have many comments from my friends that they said make something dessert which is very easy to make it in home. So I see what are the items available in my home. So I am going to make today fruit custard, so which is very favorite for all Pakistani. So they love to make this dessert for the guests especially, and children definitely they love this dessert. So I'm going to make this dessert in Balghari Kitchen. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe Balghari Kitchen. I will take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for this recipe. So for custard I need fresh milk, about half liter. I'm going to use refined custard powder, sugar. In fruits I'm using banana, rock melon, some grapes, apple, orange, and some cardamom powder. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe. It's very easy to make. I'm going to make right now. So viewers, let's start our cooking. I'm going to add in very hot. Let the milk to boil. While boiling, I'm going to add sugar. Keep stirring the sugar in the milk. Let's mix milk and refined custard powder. Mix nicely. Warm milk, I add warm milk. Make sure no lumps. Add the cardamom powder also together. Mix nicely. Then on the milk you start pouring slowly. Mix together all. Very slowly. Stirring the liquid with the help of whisk. Make it thicker now. So now I'm going to dish out. Let's put in the bowl. And let's make cool down for 20 minutes. So while our custard is getting cool down, I'm going to cut the apples. You can use different kind of fruits, whatever fruits available in your home you can use. So I have available these fruits, so I'm going to use. Then I'm going to trim slice. Banana into half. Remove the skin and then cut the bananas also in slice like this. Now the custard is cold, so adding fruits. Orange, banana, grapes, rock melon, and some apple. Now this one mixed together all custard. You can see very thick custard. Now add some leftover fruits, some garnish on top. You can see a lot of fruits. Look at our beautiful fruit custard is ready. Looks very delicious with a lot of fruits. So I'm going to taste this one. Let's see how it looks like. It's very cold. Wow. I'm going to taste. Look at this, guys. Really delicious. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section, especially for this fruit custard. You can make in your kitchen. It's very easy to prepare. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.